Hello and good day to everyone. We are from the group Programming C for the course of SECR2043 Operating System Section 6. Our group consists of 4 members, which are Tan Kah Khoon, Kah Wei, Ming Choy, and myself. Today, we are here to present our project. First, let's go to the next slide. Okay. Firstly, I would like to introduce on the topic of our project. We are chosen the topic of process scheduling, priority scheduling algorithm. In the operating system, priority scheduling is defined as a method of scheduling processes that is based on priority. In this algorithm, the scheduler selects the task to work as per the priority. The process with higher priority should be carried out first, whereas jobs with equal priorities are carried out on round robin or the first come first served basis. Priority depends upon memory requirements and time requirements. A disadvantage of this approach is that it will face the starvation problem, where tasks assigned with a lower priority may be starved when a large number of high priority tasks are queued. This will cause that the low priority tasks will never have the time to be executed. Therefore, the aging scheduling method is used to avoid starvation problems where this method is used to gradually increase the priority of a task, which is the lower priority task, based on its waiting time in the ready queue. Next, I will pass to Kah Wei to explain how our group collaborates in conducting the project. Kah Wei?
Thank you, Khai Shen. Now I will present how our group collaborates in conducting these projects. Next slide. First, we have a discussion on Google Meet and WhatsApp to discuss and decide on the topic of the projects. After some discussion and information searching together, we have decided to take priority scheduling algorithms as our topic for the project. From our discussions, we have also decided to produce a C++ program to illustrate the ICU system and to implement the algorithms in our codings. For the codings, all of our group members have discussions and generate the coding together by the use of screen sharing in Discord applications. For the reports, our leader has done some task distributions where Khai Shen has to complete the introduction parts. Myself, has to complete the execution parts. Kah Khoon has to complete the discussion part, and the Ming Choy to complete the conclusion parts. However, through that is the task division done. All our members still help each other when we face problems in our respective path and also check the mistakes for the overall part A reports. That's all for execution parts. Next, I will pass to Kah Khoon to explain on the coding parts.
Thank you, Kah Wei. Next, I will proceed with our demo of our program. We have recreated the real-life example of the intensive care unit, which is the ICU system in hospital in our program. For the menu of our program, we have a welcoming message which says, "Welcome to Hospital Malaya Intensive Unit Care System," and the menu which has 3 options. First is to enter the patient details. Second is to display the list of patients to be treated according to priority level, and the third option is to exit the program. Now let's go to option 1 to enter a new patient. The patient details needed to be entered in this option is name, the patient IC number, the patient sickness, and the sickness priority level according to 4 levels. The series of the priority level is increased from level 4 to level 1. After we enter all the details of the patient, we will go back to the menu page. Let's enter some more patients. After we enter the patient details, we will go to option 2 to display the list of the patients that have been entered. So the option 2 will show the list of the patient according to the priority level. The sequence of the patient to be treated will, according to the priority level, from level 1 to level 4. So now we can see that Ali and Kenny have the same priority level, but I entered Kenny after Ali. So the program will arrange the sequence of the patient according to first come, first served concept when the priority level of the patient is set. So if we enter option 3, the program will show thank you for using this system, and we can exit the program. That's all for the demo part of our program. Next, I will pass to Ming Choy to explain on the concept of this program.
Thank you, Kah Khoon. Next, I'll proceed with the explanation for our program. First, let me show you our program. All right, can you see my screen? All right, so this is the screen for our program. And all right, this part. All right, as you can see from in this section of code, we have applied the priority scheduling algorithm concept in our coding. For the part where we need to display the list of the patient, we have added a loop to compare each priority level of the patient array and sort the position of array when the priority level is higher. For the array with same priority level, the array which the user type in first will appear on the list. All right, next, let me go back to the slides. All right, so for the priority scheduling algorithm in the operating system, you'll face the starvation problem. However, this problem can be solved by using aging scheduling method as mentioned by Khai Shen in the introduction part. But however, in the real life situation for ICU, where the ICU wards is full and busy with the surgery of patient with priority level 1, the rest of the patient with lower priority can only choose to either wait to be transferred to other hospital or to transfer to makeshift wards. This is because the capacity of the ICU wards is limited. However, unlike the processes in the operating system, which keeps coming into the ready queue, in real life, usually, there will not be a large amount of people waiting for their turn in the ICU. Moreover, there are not just one hospital exists in one area. Therefore, the patient has the option to seek for ICU treatment in another hospital. Unlike in the operating system, the process can only wait for the single operating system to access the system resource. Thus, the starvation problem does not affect the real-life situation as much as in operating system when executing the priority scheduling algorithm. That's all for the presentation of our project, and thank you.